Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video again, I'm talking about Shiba Inu token, that what's going on in the Shiba Inu, what's the price changes occur, what will be the next move of Shiba Inu token, is in the future Shiba Inu will give you profit or loss. Guys, we discuss all things about Shiba Inu, which is very important for all of you guys. So let's start the video. Let's go ahead. But before starting this video, you can see here, guys, the currently live price of Shiba Inu token is about 0.000025 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Shiba Inu. And furthermore, if we talk about the changes update of Shiba Inu, so you can see here that last 1 hour, last 1 day, these changes from yesterday, Shiba Inu is again going in the loss. Other side, the K-Inu is in the trending in the market, guys. Maybe the changes is negative, but trading volume, the people investing more and more in the K-Inu, so this means that the future of K-Inu is very bright. Now, in the current situation, in the nowadays, Shiba Inu is going in the lows, guys, again. And I believe that now for 1 week they continue this dump. After 1 week, there is again possibilities. Maybe the price start pumping, maybe the price start more dump. But the 1 week dump is confirmed, guys. So be alert in the market. You can see, guys, now the falls from last 3 days. You can see from 12 October and today is 15. So from last 3 days, the Shiba Inu token is complete going in the lows, guys. You can see change is also negative 3.4%. So now I predicated Shiba Inu token that upcoming 1 week Shiba Inu continuously falls. And after 1 week, there is again possibilities. Maybe in the future the price will pump or dump. We can't see about the future, but possibilities that the price again pump after 1 week. But we can't say about the future. Maybe, guys, we can't say. We're not confirmed, guys. That is just a prediction. Anyways, guys, what's your prediction? What's your opinion about Shiba Inu token? My recommendation for all of you is that hold for a long time, guys. Hold for a long time, not for to the last of October. Hold to the last of 2021. You get profit, guys. Anyways, guys, your opinion, your recommendation, share on the comment box, and kindly subscribe now for more news and update videos.